Sway bar links connect your car's sway bar to the wheels, reducing body roll when turning. This improves handling and stability. You can often check them without tools. First, visually inspect the links and bushings, which are the rubber parts. Look for rust, cracks, or any deformation. Also, check for excessive play. If you can wobble the link more than about 1/8 inch by hand, it's likely worn out. Remember safety first. Ensure the vehicle is on a level surface and secured with wheel chocks before inspecting. Next, perform a physical check. With the vehicle parked, try jacking up one side of the car. Grab the tire at the top and bottom and shake it firmly, listening for any clunking or rattling sounds. These noises can indicate a loose or damaged sway bar link. You can also turn the steering wheel slowly from side to side while listening for squeaks or groans, which can point to worn bushings. Remember, these no-tool checks can catch problems early, helping you avoid more costly repairs and potential safety issues. If in doubt, consult a professional.